Hi, Prem.
Hi, Carol.
Can I ask you about something?
Can?
Why is your power bank bigger than mine? What is the difference? Can you tell me?
For the difference, we can say many things. Okay,
Yeah.
first we think about the capacity lah.
The capacity. Okay.
Capacity for this one, but both of the same brand.
Same brand. Oh, Penang. Okay.
But this capacity is 20,000 mAh.
20,000. Oh, mine 10,000. Yes.
Ah.
So okay.
So the difference is the higher quality, higher capacity lah.
Oh, okay.
We talk about the weight. The weight is for the 20,000
Yeah.
is 445 grams.
For this one.
For
Okay.
this one.
And this one?
This one is I would think about the 243 grams.
Oh,
I
this
saw
one.
the internet.
Oh, I never know about that. Can I hold this?
Okay.
Yes. Oh,
You can
this much. Oh,
different depend. Okay.
It's different inside. Okay.
Okay.
Other than that,
And then can talk about the color.
the color. Okay.
Okay. The color for 20,000 capacity. They are got two color only.
Just two color.
Yeah. This one gold and
Gold
another
and-
one silver.
Oh, there's no black or white. No, like that.
no,
Okay.
But this one it got a different three color.
Oh, three color. Okay.
Which means this yellow.
Yellow. Okay, this one mine. Okay.
Okay. Another one pink.
So pink. And then another one.
Yellow.
Yellow. Okay, there's three color of this.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, we talk about the strengths. Which means
Which means what?
the advantage lah
Oh, the advantage of
about the power bank.
power bank. Okay.
Okay, but this one depends on the user use the device lah. Which means this is 10,000 capacity. Which means they are going to import.
To input. Okay.
You see when
Yeah, I can see that. Okay.
you can use the handset or the tablet.
Tablet. Oh, okay.
Tablet is a large.
Yeah, it's a large size of more than handphone. Okay.
So to worry about the capacity lah. Okay, we see about the 20,000. This is large capacity.
Yeah, I
know that. So you can use many device such as the PSP, PS4.
Oh, because the power is different from this one. Okay.
So then, okay. Other than you want to ask?
Oh, there's nothing else about something that I should know.
Okay, I want to share with you more than
Yeah.
the complete charger take the 14 or 16 hours take the full charge, but this one is less than.
Oh, okay.
Okay, we talk about the warranty. Warranty is the same 1 year only.
Oh, it's the same lah.
But these two power bank they got a different model number, which means this one model number is 968.
968. Oh,
The
I
model
know.
number
I never
is
knew about that.
You can see this one lah.
Oh, you find. Oh, I never read this. Yeah.
Then this one is the 989. This is the model of the serial number.
For this one.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, this is the.
There's nothing more that I should know. Nothing more. Okay. Okay. Thank you, Prem.
Thank you.
Now I know about the difference between my power bank and yours. Okay. Thank you for the information.
Hello, my name is Prem. I'm study at Polytechnic Metro Tasik Grogol. I'm taking course Diploma Information Security from Department JTMK. Today I just explain about the power bank and this one and this one.